Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So, Roger, he came up earlier in the year and he flew to New Jersey and we sat down, had lunch. Kicked a few ideas back and forth, hung out at the shop for a full day. I demoed a few bikes for him and we discussed his build. He scheduled his appointment. He was supposed to ship us the bike from Florida to New Jersey. So fast forward now a few months later, we opened the shop in Daytona, Florida. So instead of 15 to 18 hours, he is now an hour and a half away. So it just made more sense. He brought it to the Daytona shop and we were able to put it together for him. He really loved Ed Gay CVO that we built. The yellow one we built a while ago. So he told me he wanted that exact build with a couple of minor tweaks, and that's what we built for him. So he's got an Ultra. We ended up doing Cicada CMX in the fairing, Cicada horn grills, horn tweeters in the grills, Cicada CH in the water-cooled lowers with the custom adapters for the water-cooled lowers, Cicada CX in the tour pack pods, Sound Digital 1200.4 Evox 2 in the fairing, Sound Digital Evox 2 800.4 in the fairing, Sound Digital 3000.1 in the tour pack, and a Dubbie bass knob. Upgraded the battery to a Braille lithium, and we did NVS Audio 10s. We sealed, imported, and fiberglass reinforced his factory bags. Bike sounds incredible. We've done this setup a few times, so we already knew what it was going to sound like. He already knew what it was going to sound like. But it ended up working really well for him because instead of shipping the bike, he was able to ride it up and then ride up, pick it up, and ride it back home. Bike sounds really, really good. I'm happy with the way the bike sounds, especially the CMX and the fairing. These are some of my favorite speakers. It's a carbon fiber mid bass, and then the tweeter in front of it just complements the sound. It's just a really good sounding bike, well-rounded. HCAD Mini DSP NVS Audio T harness, and we used the NVS Audio AK4 oxygen-free copper wiring kit. Distribution block to do this whole build, and upgraded power and ground wires, so upgraded frame ground. But check out the build, came out really good. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I'm sure he's gonna be really happy. He hasn't gotten to hear it yet. Check out the build.
We ain't causing commotion, but I be bragging and boasting. I put the most in, I get the most out, no doubt. I brought the Glock in into my show out. I sold out, we break them poles out for your show out, then roll out. I got him hit and then I rapped about it, think he know now. Put a duffel bag up on his head, my nigga cash out. I get the cheese in large amounts, they calling me the cash cow. G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up. I got a lot of toys, 720S pumping Fallout Boy. You was talking shit in the beginning, back when I was feeling unforgiving. I know I pissed you off to see me winning. See the hit glue in my mouth and I be grinning. Yeah. pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandma will probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like a shit Dumbo, yeah. Cut the roof off like a nip tuck. Pull up to the house with some big butts. Turn the kitchen counter to a strip club. Me and Drake came for the. When I got caught, all of y'all disappeared. Before I dropped Sony, none of y'all really care. Now they always say congratulations to the kid. And this is not a 40, but I'm pouring out this shit. Used to have a lot, but I got more now. Made another hit, cause I got bored now. Always going for it, never pump fourth down. Last call, Hail Mary, Prescott, touchdown, hey. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. And your grandma will probably know me. Bye.